Hey everyone, it's a beautiful summer day here in June in Temescal Valley, and Glenn and I thought we'd bring you up here and show you Deleo Regional Park, which is the newest regional park and one of the biggest and best regional parks in the county of Riverside. And Deleo Park was actually named after one of the longtime families here in the area, which was the Deleo family, and primarily named after Joyce Deleo, who was instrumental in bringing to Temescal Valley the Temescal Valley Fair. It used to be held over at the driving range that the Deleo family owns down on Temescal Canyon Road, but then it has been moved over here. We unfortunately were not able to have the Temescal Valley Fair this year because of COVID and people needing to stay at home, but hopefully we'll be able to reschedule that maybe for the fall or maybe not until next year. Time will tell, but in the meantime, I thought you would enjoy seeing this beautiful poppy brand. This is actually a recreation of a label from a citrus manufacturer or producer here that was in this valley. And you can see the little bees over there on the sides. And Temescal Valley has been the home of what we all called Poppygeddon a few years ago. For privacy reasons, over to my right is a beautiful playground, but because there are people out here enjoying it and playing on it, and to respect their privacy, we will just kind of do a little panoramic over to where just before the kids are on the swings. So there's a beautiful playground here, tennis courts and picnic areas, covered picnic areas. There are these beautiful shade structures to keep everybody nice and cool. And in the summertime, there's a splash pad. So it's a beautiful area. You can come up here. There's also a skate park down here to the south, and all back around the backside of the park, an entire backside of the community is about an 8 or 10 foot wide walking trail. And you can just get out here and enjoy being out in nature with your family. Come out here for a party. Beautiful, lovely breeze is usually blowing over the hills from Orange County, coming up over from Santiago Peak just behind us. And we're at the base of the Cleveland National Forest. So we have this beautiful scenic backdrop. It's just absolutely gorgeous here. Glenn and I have lived here in Temescal Valley for 25 years. Unfortunately, this park was not built until after our kids were already grown adults, but we've been fortunate to be able to participate in the Temescal Valley Fair, held here for, I think we've been here now for 6 or 8 years. But it's been absolutely lovely location. The county of Riverside just really outdid themselves in planning this park and making it accessible for so many people to be able to come out here, enjoy being outside, getting exercise, relaxing, and just a wonderful, peaceful environment. Other than the kids screaming and yelling, it's super quiet. You can really spread out. You can find a quiet place to go sit and enjoy. Maybe sit in one of these picnic structures and enjoy reading a book. Take the afternoon to relax and just be surrounded in nature. So come out and enjoy Deleo Regional Park in Temescal Valley.